Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you the top 5 iOS settings you need to know to turn off your iPhone quickly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, you can using the physical button. The first method is the most straightforward one. You can using the physical button on your iPhone. Here's how to do this. You can press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down button simultaneously. When you tap and hold the side button or either the volume up or volume down button, you can see on your screen there is a slide to power off appear. You can just simply swipe it to the right and your iPhone will be shut down. This method works on iPhone model without a home button like iPhone 10s and later models. Number 2, you can also using shortcut. Before we using shortcut, we open the shortcut app on your iPhone. Here, when you already open the shortcut app, you can see we don't have a shortcut for turn off our iPhone yet. We must create a new shortcut by clicking or tap on the link that I will be include the link on the video description before. You can check on this. Then I'm going open the link here. Tap on the link. When I'm tap on the link, it will be automatically direct to this. You can tap on add shortcut. Then you can tap and hold on the shortcut and then you can tap edit here and then you can tap on this icon. Then you can add to home screen. After that, tap add. Then you can tap done. Now we check on the home screen. And when we already have the shortcut at our home screen, to shutting down our phone, just simply tap at the shortcut. Then it will be automatically goes to this. To power off, you can just swipe right the slider to the right to turn it off. You also, and number 3, SIRI shortcut. You also can create a SIRI shortcut to turn off your iPhone quickly. How to do this? When we already have the shortcut for shutting down our phone, make sure we already enable SIRI feature. How to do this? We open the setting and then we scroll down and select SIRI and search. And make sure the press start button for SIRI is already turned on, or if you want to say Hey Siri, you can turn on the listen for Hey Siri. After that, you can follow the on-screen instruction to set it up. Now we already enable the SIRI feature. Then we just activate the SIRI feature and saying activate shutdown shortcut. Now, when we say activate shutdown shortcut to the SIRI, it will automatically goes to this. As you can see, just swipe right the slider to the right to turn it off. Number 4, using assistive touch. If you want to avoid using the physical button or if they're not functioning properly, you can use assistive touch. To enable assistive touch and power off your iPhone, you can follow this step. You can go to the setting and then select accessibility. You can tap on touch and then select accessibility. You can tap on assistive touch to turn it on. After you turn on the assistive touch, you can see a floating assistive touch button will appear on your screen. You can tap on it. Then you can customize it by customize top level menu. You can tap on this and then you can tap on plus icon here. You can tap on the plus icon and then you can select the shutdown. After that, you can tap down Now you can see at the Assistive Touch, we already have the shutdown icon here. To shutting down your phone, just tap on the Assistive Touch and then tap shutdown. It will be direct to this again. Number 5. You can also using the setting app. Another way to turn off your iPhone quickly is by using the setting app. Here's how. Open the setting apps on your iPhone, then you can tap on General. After you tap on General, you can scroll to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. The swipe, and then it will be automatically direct to this. As you can know before, you can swipe the slider to power off to the right and your iPhone will shut down. This method works on all iPhone model. And there you have it, the top 5 iOS settings you need to know to turn off your iPhone quickly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tricks and tips. See you in the next video. Bye!